What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make slime. Isaac TV, he's one of my friends and he's a YouTuber. He made slime for me. If you comment down below if you can see it. No, he didn't make it. I made it, but he taught me how to make it when I was at his house yesterday. But anyway, this is the ingredients, what you need for slime. My brother is gonna talk now.
What's it,
I guess that's all you want to say.
I already go to McDonald's to get a couple the major go in McDonald's for it to put slime on it.
Yeah. We got McDonald's, like this cup, so we can put slime. That's what he was talking about. But if you guys think he's dumb, comment down below. Alright. So here's the ingredients. And by the way, my brother, he made like a thing about his school because he just started school. Look. Comment down below if you guys can see that. I'm pretty sure you can, but don't comment. Alright. For the first cup, we're going to take this off of it. 1, 2, 3, and... Alright guys, we got all the ingredients. First, we need to put toothpaste in. Alright, meet you there. Alright guys, so we got the ingredients, and here it is. First of all, we have to put toothpaste in there. See? Toothpaste, not face. Whoop. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, that's enough right there. Now we need a spoon. I just realized that. I'm gonna go get it. Now we're gonna mix it. I'll let you guys watch. Let's start. In more mixing.
No, I didn't do something new.
In more mixing. Wait guys. Sorry guys, because of my brother. I'm so sorry, but I'm not gonna do it again. And my brother wants to make it. We're just going to cut it. So I want you guys to understand that we're going to cut it because of him. Alright, come on. Alright guys, I'm going to show you it.
So
that's David. We're going to make ours. Alright, let's start. You guys there. And we're mixing again. Now that we got it a little bit mixed, it's time to put in the glue. I like Elmer's glue. Look at that. Alright. This is how it looks like so. Wait.
I got some spoon liquor.
This is how it looks like so far. And sorry guys, because of my brother again. But I won't do it again. But he wants to tell you that he got this spoon. Alright, so me and my brother are going to start making it. Right now, we're going to mix it.
Mine's turned green liquor.
Mine's too. Now we're going to cut it because we don't want you just to wait. Now we're going to add a little bit more toothpaste. Alright. Now one more piece of glue. And alright, and now we're going to continue on cutting it. Alright, David's, my brother's dry, but I still have to mix because I just started. But this is all I could get. Alright, but let me... Wait guys, I'm just gonna... Alright guys, here it is. Isn't that cool? Try your house. My Isaac teach me, my friend. Now we just have to let it dry. Let's go. Alright guys. We're gonna end it now. And
I put the stickers.